Okay. So today we have a new monitor. I'm not gonna say anything about this, so we just unbox it quick. Then I think we'll just see the name together. We just received this monitor around 10 minutes ago. Actually, we even picked it up at FedEx. So if you're so curious about this, you'll notice that this is a ultra widescreen monitor, not just widescreen monitor. So we're just gonna adhere to it. Hope I don't cut myself. So this is it. There we have it. Okay, so this is the new monitor. Not yet the new monitor, just the case of the new monitor. Okay. The packing is a bit tight. Hope we don't break anything else when we do the unboxing. This is a bit heavy. Come on. Okay. Okay, now we've seen this. This is the PG34AQ Asus ROG Suite, an ultra wide monitor. Then this has a ratio of, since we know ultra wide, it will be a bit different than the normal ratio, 3440 into 1440, and this is IPS in plane switching, and the curvature is 1800 R, and we have a frameless design, and we can overclock our refresh rate up to 100 Hertz using our display port. Then we have all these ports like your display port and everything. This monitor has everything a gamer monitor does this. Okay, so let's take a look at from here. So there's nothing from this side. Oh, nothing on this side. And again, just nothing. So it's just like that. We have design over 2016, and it just said 34 inch with 86.72 centimeter ultra wide screen, and we have some retail information which is already mentioned in the top one. So I think we can just skip to the case, then just open this bad boy. So it's a bit tricky. Hope we don't break anything. Okay, so we have to pull this, then open this. Is there any kind of instruction? So I think we have to move like there. Okay, maybe I need some help. Maybe we need to pull this like this. Wow. Let's hope again we don't break anything. It's a bit tight. What? After trying with my friend for about 5 minutes, so I think we tried to figure it out. Hope it don't double. Okay. We have to do this quickly. And so I have a lot of sweating right now because it's a bit heavy, and sometimes we have to pause our video because we're only two people. Then we need some lifting and do these things. Okay, it's impossible for one person to do the whole unboxing. So this is the monitor. Let's put aside this first because we need to do the other things and not clean. So we have a stand, and as you see, the stand is not, the length is not equal, so we'll see our ROG logo down here. So we can put aside this one too here, and we have our power brick. 19 volt, 6.2 ampere, 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, the standard power cable. And we have display port 1.2 HDMI, a display port 2.0, one HDMI 1.2, and Ethernet cable, and some instruction manual. We know what we used to do with our instruction manual. Okay, we keep this and then we just throw the other ones aside. We don't need this. And therefore, power cable. And what is this? This should be something. Okay, panel. I think this is the cover of the back side. And what we have, this is the stand, isn't it? Hope I don't break something while opening this. And okay, this is the stand, and we even have some kind of lights. Then this, then the monitor are supposed to be sit like this. Then we'll have a stand down there. So let's just do a quick demonstration. We'll just put our stand down there. Then we'll have our ROG in the below this. So this is what it will look like. The final one. Then we can do. I think we can do the final unboxing. Okay, this is the new monitor. Ta-da! Okay, this is our new monitor, and we all have all our features again for 2K IPS, overclockable 200 gigahertz with everything. And this one supports NVIDIA G-Sync, so this is why it got a little bit of a pump. So this is how it looks to me. So I think you can see how wide this one is. And let's take a look at the ports. In the left side we have something written, but the menu buttons are here. Then we have joystick, which is really convenient, and nothing on the other side. Then we have our two speakers and our VESA mount compatible. And here we have our display port, HDMI, Ethernet, and 4 USB types, USB 3.0, and another one. What is this? This is used for service only. I don't know what this is. Then you have our power in and our headphone jack. There is nothing. It's just this. It's simple. And let's take a look at it. So we can route our cable here, and so this is our. After doing all the things, so we can cover it up and then we can route the cable. So this is convenient. I think we have to take it back. And this is just this one. The beauty of the 34.8 PQ monitor, our new monitor, 34. Let's just say 2K 34-inch ultra wide monitor. Okay, so it's a bit of a warm now, so I think we can fix it, then do the technical parts later, and then we hope we can boot it up. So this is our new monitor, our Asus ROG Suite new monitor. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe. And if you have any queries regarding computer and all the technical things, you can ask me, then I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video.